Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. For this tutorial, we will be sublimating on a mouse pad, so stand by. Okay, so the items you will need is a mouse pad. I will put in the description box where you can purchase them from. You'll also need an image. So I have this image here. You'll also need some butcher paper or copy paper, something to kind of lay across your image so it does not bleed on top of your heat press. And you'll also need either adhesive, like this adhesive spray. This is what I love to use this because your image does not move and it prevents a lot of ghosting. Or you can just use regular heat transfer tape. This is good as well, but you have to use a lot and make sure it's taped down where it does not move once you lift your heat press up. Otherwise, you'll have a lot of ghosting. So that's why I typically use the adhesive spray. Those are all the items that you will need. I'm going to take y'all over to the computer really quick just to show you the dimensions of the image that you'll need to print onto your mouse pad successfully, and then we'll head over to the heat press. Quickly, I'm just going to show you the measurements that you'll need for this mouse pad. Just a quick hint, sometimes when you measure out your mouse pad, because the measurements I got for the mouse pad was 9.3 by 7.9. When I printed that exact image out, it did not cover the whole mouse pad. So I had to go a little bit higher so it can cover the whole entire mouse pad, because I didn't want any white showing on the mouse pad. I wanted the whole image to cover. So in order to do that, these are the measurements that you'll need. That is not the right picture that we're using today. We're using this picture. So use to cover your whole mouse pad, the measurements you'll need is lengthwise 9.5. That's the height. And then width, you'll need 8.5. I'm printing out on 8.5 by 11 sublimation paper. So this will definitely cover up the 8.5, and then for the length you'll need, or height, you'll need 9.5 inches. So I just wanted to show you that so it can cover your entire mouse pad. You won't have any white showing. Trust me, I went through several pieces of paper. I just used copy paper so I wouldn't waste any of my sublimation paper, so I could make sure it was covering up the whole mouse pad. So you can just save these measurements for future mouse pads if you're doing like bulk orders, or you're selling anything, or if you just want to do a whole bunch of mouse pads for Christmas gifts and so forth. Like you can put your family's pictures on them and etc. So just save those measurements, especially if you have the rectangle mouse pad that I have. So I just wanted to show you the measurements in there right here again. I have other videos where I show you how to bring a picture into Word and to format it so it can be able to print out correctly onto your shirt or mouse pad, cups, and so forth. So just check out those other videos. Also, this is the layout is portrait, and it's on, again, 8.5 by 11 sublimation paper. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the heat press, and I'll show you how to press the image onto your mouse pad. All right, so before we head over to the heat press, what we're going to do is clean our mouse pad off. We're going to lint roll it. Let me just get a fresh sheet. So we're going to lint roll our mouse pad. Anytime you're doing any type of sublimation or the Cricut ink, you want to lint roll your object. So I even lint roll my cups, because if there is any piece of lint on there, it will leave like a little blue dot or a little blue line or something on your surface. So shirts, socks, mouse pads, cups, anything that you are going to sublimate on, I highly recommend that you just run across it with the lint roller really quickly before you put your image on there. All right, so I have my image here, and it looks like it's a piece of glitter. Where did that glitter come from? So you're going to put your image down, and I'm just going to lay my image right on, not image, my mouse pad right on top of my image. And this is the best way to do it versus flipping it and putting your image on top of your surface, because it's harder to see where it lines up. And if you can see, let me just bring you in a little closer. There is image still showing around the I will have to take y'all off. It's not letting me show you, but there is a piece of image still showing on the paper. So there's still the image is like in the middle. Not the image, the mouse pad is really like in the middle of the image. Let me see if I can bring it closer. Okay, there we go. So you can see what I'm saying, because the way it's bouncing off the light. There we go. So you want to just have like a little bit of the image hanging out, but not your main focus of your image, if that makes sense. Just like the background. All right. And if you're using tape, then you can fold it over like this. Fold your image over. Put tape here. So like this. And go all the way around it, or you can just use the tape like this and put it in areas where it will be held down. So whatever is easier for you, just to make sure that your product and your image are secured and it won't move, so there won't be any ghosting. So I'm not going to use the tape. I'm going to use my adhesive spray. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off camera because I don't want to get spray all over my tabletop. And I'm going to spray it, sit my mouse pad down on it. And you don't need a lot. You just need to lightly spray it across and just sit my mouse pad on. And then I'm going to go over here to the heat press and press my image on. All right, so we have the sublimation paper on top and we have the mouse pad on the bottom. So everything is good to go. I used the spray to adhere it to the mouse pad, and I'm just going to put the copy paper on top. You can use copy paper, butcher paper, not so much a Teflon sheet, because the image can get on top of the Teflon sheet and your Teflon sheet can be messed up. So just mostly copy paper, butcher paper. Some people use parchment paper, or you can use the brown paper, like the brown craft paper, to cover up your image so it doesn't get on the top of your top plate. This is on 400 degrees and I'm going to press it for 60 seconds and I will be back. All right, so 60 seconds is over, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off the top. Remember, it is very hot, so be cautious. Again, the reason why we use something on the top, because you can kind of see the image through here. So just beware that that's why we use a piece of paper or something on top. And I'm just gonna take this off really carefully. And voila. And it looks like it's still some color on there. So I could use this and press it again, but the second time it will just be lighter than what is on here now. So there we go. All right, y'all, so I went and got an oven mitt. So this is the image. This is our mouse pad here. So look how that came out. That looks really good. There is something right here, like a little brown speck, but that was already on the mouse pad, because this was not, I have had these mouse pads for quite a while and I was using the mouse pad without sublimating on it. So I don't know what that is, but that's been there, so that's not part of the image. So it came out really good. The colors came out great. I am excited about this image and what it just signifies in itself, but I'm excited how it came out on the mouse pad. That looks really, really good. That is about the end of this video. If you have any questions about what I did, or you have any suggestions, go ahead and put it in the comment box below. I will have where I purchased the mouse pads from in the description box below, along with other places I shop at. So in any description box, just go ahead and look, not description box, in any video, go ahead and look in the description box, and it will have different links there. Some of them are affiliate links from Amazon. I do get a small commission from each time you purchase on Amazon. So if you are interested in purchasing anything I use in any video, go ahead and just click those links, and it will take you directly to the product, and you can go ahead and just add it to your cart. And again, I do get like a small commission from those links, the Amazon links, not any other links at this time. Go ahead and put it out there in the universe. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you're watching this video but you are not subscribed to my channel, and then go ahead and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. All right, everyone, until next time, peace.